Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting essentials in place. Enable the Vertex AI API and attach a billing account so resources can run. Then authenticate the G Cloud SDK and set your project. This tells commands where to act. Create a service account with storage and Vertex AI roles because models and datasets need permissions to read and write. Once done, grant that account keys for automation and make sure to secure them. This lets you move into data upload and model work without permission roadblocks. Now you prepare data and kick off training. Upload labeled files to a GS//bucket, separating training and validation so evaluation is fair. In Vertex AI, create a dataset and import from those cloud storage URIs. This maps your labels and schema for the pipeline. Next, pick AutoML for fast iteration or custom training for control, then define a training job with machine type and GPU if needed. Once training starts, monitor logs and metrics to catch data drift or underfitting early. To finish, deploy your trained model to an endpoint and configure traffic split, node count, and auto-scaling so you balance cost and performance. Then send sample inference requests to validate latency and accuracy, and measure cost per request to stay efficient. If something breaks, start with IAM and quota errors. Missing permissions or exhausted quotas are common. Then inspect cloud logging, model resource limits, and prediction logs. Make sure to roll back a bad deploy, and iterate on model or scaling settings until stable.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.